All right, am I recording? Yes, I am. Great. Sorry about that noise in the background. My computer is having issues. But this is my application security for Milestone 1. So you'll see here in the nav bar that there are some links that aren't displaying. So if I go ahead and log in, those links will come right back. We can see all of this. We can delete stuff. We can still edit stuff. Everything's working and available to us. Let's see. Other than that, everything should be fine. So the way that we have our security set up is in our POM XML we have Spring Boot Starter Security and ThymeLeaf Security 6. We need 6 because of our version of Spring Boot that we're in. We can take a look at our security config where all the magic happens, or at least starts. So we set up our user detail service, which is the interface that Spring Security uses to retrieve user data. And then our password encoder, which is used for hashing our passwords, which is great because hashed passwords are awesome and secure and cool. In our security filter chain, we're gonna go ahead and authorize HTTP requests to all of these URLs. So this is what permit all right here. So anybody who's not logged in can still go to these URLs. Any other URL, you're gonna have to be logged in to make requests to those. And then here we're setting up our login forms. So we set up where the login page is, our login form, and the URL where we process the login. And then where we want to redirect you to when you succeeded a login, and then where we want to redirect you, which is just right back to the login form if you fail a login. And then we do the same thing for logout. Our password encoder config, we just set up our password encoder. We say we want to use bcrypt, and I can actually show you here we go. This is the database, so we have these users. Root doesn't work. Root kind of came with the application, but these other ones I created with bcrypt password encoder, and the passwords are very much hashed. If we go into our controller here, we can see that where are we? Login has been rewritten to utilize the new login method with the Spring Security. So we're using the user service, which is using user detail service, which is the Spring Security thing. Yeah, this was the method from user detail service that we had to implement. So that allows us to use that to do login. Then we have our login form and logout. Those have all been rewritten to utilize Spring Security. Let's see. Other than that, login.html, we change username in here to match. It has to be lowercase m for Spring Security to recognize it, I guess. And then in layout, where our nav bar is, we reference this ThymeLeaf Security, import that, and then we can use this th right here to, there we go, authorize. We use this right here. Security authorize is authenticated, and any link with this tag on it will require you to be authenticated before you can see it or access it. So that's why we couldn't see those links in the nav bar until we logged in. That, I believe, is everything I had to cover. So thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in class.